Hello, my name is Noemi. In anticipation of Easter, I'm going to show you how we colour eggs in our family. People use various techniques to do this, such as onion skins, food colouring and textiles. There are of course much more elaborate ways of colouring eggs, such as hand painting and wax stenciling. In our family, we use coloured crepe paper. Let's start at the beginning. We're going to hard boil some white eggs. To do this, we will place the eggs in a saucepan and add enough cold water to cover them. We will then add 5 tablespoons of white vinegar and some salt. This helps prevent the eggs cracking whilst boiling. Cover the saucepan and place it on a very low heat, letting it simmer for around 40 minutes. Now the eggs are hard boiled, we'll remove them from the saucepan, saving some of the water. Have a surface ready covered with newspaper or a plastic sheet to prevent staining your table, as well as some disposable gloves. Also have your coloured crepe paper cut into squares ready to coat the eggs. Now I'll show you the process of colouring the eggs. Take a piece of crepe paper and dip it in the boiling water you saved earlier, and place it on the egg, making sure that it sticks. Repeat this process with another colour. Continue this process until the entire egg is covered in different coloured squares, and then place the egg into an egg box and leave to dry for around 2 hours. If you would like a darker colour, you can use a double layer of crepe paper. Take each egg and remove the crepe paper to reveal the colour. I'm now going to show you the finished product. Happy Easter! Shanor Havor Soup Sadik. Thank you for watching.